Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to do the descriptive analysis. We want to transfer from SPSS to Excel. This is very easy. You don't have to use calculator for it. Now, let's go to our data. I already have this data. So what you need to do is you need to copy. Okay, copy. Open your Excel. Okay, and then paste here. Control V. Okay, copy. Please, if let's say it's not happening, just copy many times. So remember to use the right click to copy. Okay, right click to copy. Sometimes it is not happening, so just have to try it. So since that it's so small, you just make it bigger here. Here is just to make it bigger. You need to zoom. Oh no, it's too big. All right. Okay. Now, what you need to do is, because it's so cramped here, you can drag. Okay, you can drag. You can always drag. Since that you like to see the the better view. So can you see AN1 here? Okay, I just click in the middle. So mean that it select all. So I just double click in the middle. So it go down. So there's no waste of space. Now just delete N. Delete everything that you don't like. No, not you don't like, you don't want. Okay, now, since that I would like to change the view, I just select all again. Remember to come here. Okay, in between A and 1, there's a flip here. And then you choose the no fill, and then choose AS black. Okay, now we are going to calculate the percentage. Right? Since that this is a 5 points Likert scale, when you want to calculate the percentage, how you need to do it? 100 divided by 5 is 20. That 20 you need to times multiply by min. If let's say you have 7 points Likert scale, all right, what you need to do is 100 divided by 7 and times min. So I know that this is 5 points, so it's 20. So what I'm going to do here is on your keyboard, press plus. First, go to the Excel, cell that you want to do the calculation, plus here. And then go to the min. You can see like a train here moving. And then star and 20, mean that this cell times 20. Okay, so you can got 73.3995. So for the decimal point, we just only have to have 1 point. So reduce here. Tick, tick, tick. You don't have to do it manually, huh? And then how to calculate, copy everything here. So can you see here? Okay, make sure it has a plus sign and double click. It will calculate for you. Okay, delete. This one delete. Okay, now. So it means that everything that changed here will change here automatically. But now, since that I want it, I want to cut. I don't want section 3A1. I don't want it. So what I'm doing is first, I want to cut. And I don't want to do it one by one. I want to do it very fast. You can see A1 until A9. Okay, same. A10 is already have two numbers here until 17. Okay, first I need to add column, insert. Okay, now I want to cut. I want to slice. I highlight. I go to the data, text to column, and then be very careful when you slice. Okay, finish. Okay, that's number one. Now number two, and then text the column. All right, finished. All right, I don't have to copy one by one, yeah. So delete, delete, delete. Okay, now what I want to do now is channels. I want to put channels here. Okay, I want to put channel here. So I would like to sort. Okay, so first highlight everything. I would like to sort. What I want to sort. Okay, now see that my data have header because I have a header here, and then I want to sort by min. I want to sort largest to the smallest. Tada, TV3 is the first one, followed by TV1 and TV2. Now, with this information, I would like to make a graph. Now you go to insert, go to recommendation chart. Now the computer recommend this chart. Okay, this chart. I don't. Now let me share with you because I don't want I don't want myself to be how to say it, confused. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to normalize everything here. No, meaning that no formula. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy, and then I paste value. no longer, so meaning that this value has no longer formula. Wait, you might be confused. Look at here. Look at here. Just now it is formulated. Okay, but say, oh, you don't want it. You want to touch this one because I want to make a graph. So I go to the next page. I copy everything. Okay, I make it bigger, and then I use the same process. Now, what I want to do now is I want to only the the percentage, but I cannot delete. See, when I delete, it becomes 0. So how going to do? I'm going to normal everything. Just delete the delete the formula. So go to this column. See, I just copy first. Okay, copy, and then go to paste, and then go to paste special. Check the item mid value here. Check the value, and then click OK. Right, so I can delete me. Okay, now I would like to make a graph. Go to insert, recommended graph. Sorry. Okay, now go to insert. It's not happening. Recommended graph. Okay, give you this graph. So click OK. Ta-da! Alhamdulillah, now you can change everything. But what about the percentage up here? Okay, go to one of the bar, right click, add. You can drag here and there. Okay, now done. Thank you very much. Let me end this presentation. Oh, I just write here, Excel. Okay, thank you very much.